Hello and welcome to this video on Android Studio and its installation. First of all, let us start off by discussing what exactly you're going to be installing. Foremost, you will be installing the Android Studio IDE, the Integrated Development Environment. The IDE is the application in which you will do your actual development inside of. It contains the text editor and related tools that you will use to do your development. Android Studio is based off the IntelliJ IDEA software, but you do not have to be familiar with this software because Android Studio comes pre-bundled with all the components you will require. Installing Android Studio will also require you to install the Android SDK, or Software Development Kit. This SDK contains all the tools that you will need to properly make use of the Android Studio IDE. Without these tools, the IDE itself wouldn't be able to function. And optionally, you'll have the choice to install virtual device support. This enables you to run a virtual device on your machine that will allow you to test your applications if you do not have an external physical device to use. Now, let us discuss what exactly we're going to do. Firstly, we will download the Android Studio bundle from the development website, and then we will install it. Note, the time-intensive operations have been time-elapsed to keep the length of this video reasonable for you. We are now at the Android developer website, and if you want to download the bundle for Android Studio, we will have to click the green button and agree to the terms and conditions and click download. You'll notice down here in Chrome that it will start the downloading process. Once the Android bundle is completed, you will want to go ahead and launch it. This will vary depending on the browser you're using. In Chrome, you just click down here in the corner and it will start the launcher for you. It'll open up a security prompt and you will go ahead and click Run. We will wait for the launcher to complete its opening. Once the Android Studio setup has completed launching, we will go ahead and click Next. There will be three options: Android Studio, Android SDK, and the Android Virtual Device. We will go ahead and install all three options in this video. You will agree to the terms and conditions. There will be default settings for both the installation of Android Studio and the Android SDK based on what settings you chose earlier. I would recommend you keep those as the default unless you know where in particular you want them to be installed. If you choose to have Android Studio in your start menu, go ahead and leave it as is. Otherwise, do not create shortcuts. Go ahead and click Install. And we will wait for this to finish installing. When the installation is complete, you will see a next button that you can click on. Go ahead and click on that. And you will be able to then start Android Studio once you click Finish.